Hi, welcome to Code Chappy. Today we're going to see the demo for Ediagnostic app using Android Studio. Let's see how to start the Android project. First, I will explain the delivery folders. These are the delivery folders. First, you can click the Android SRC. Android Studio build folder for Android SRC. This is for the Android SRC inside folders. You can click the www folders or source codes are there. Next, you can click the document. You can view all the document details. Next, you can click the web folders. You can view all the source codes are there. Next, you can view the SQL files, database storage files. Next, you can click the local APK. It is for the Android Studio used for the local APK. Next, you can click the README files. You can view the README files. You can view the create the database name. Next, you can view the login details. You can view all the details in README file. Let's see how to start the Android project. First, open the XAMPP control panel and open it. Apache is a package server. MySQL is a database storage. Start Apache and start MySQL. Start MySQL admin button. It promote open web browser. Now database is open in left side. Further, it see this project. Next, open the Android Studio and open it. Android SRC is a build folder for Android Studio. This is for the Android SRC. Import the folders. You can view the left side view folders. You can view the www or source codes are there. Next, below minimize button, you can see the AVD manager icon. Click and open it. Click here launch buttons. Now emulator is loaded. This is how to start the Android project. Let's move the app explanations. Open Ediagnostic app. There are three models: doctor, cashier, admin and patients. You can click the admin models. Click admin. Enter into the admin login. Enter admin email ID and password. admin@gmail.com. Password is test. Click submit it. Login successfully. Admin will manage the models like doctor registrations, clinic reception registration and cashier registrations. First, you can enter with the doctor registrations. Click doctor registrations. Enter the registration details like doctor name, doctor qualifications, doctor mobile number. Enter all the details in doctor details. Enter the doctor qualifications. Next, you can enter the doctor email ID and password. Next, you can enter the hospital address and specialist. You can choose a specialist. You can choose a general ward or a pediatricians, cardiologist. You can anything, you can enter it. Click sign up. Registration successfully. What are the register? You can go to the doctor logins. What are the creates email ID, password? You can enter the email ID and password. Doctor email ID and password. Choose a specialist. You can general ward, you can anything. What are the creates a specialist? You can enter it. Click submit it. Login successfully. Doctor will managing models like post pharmacies, lab view, lab report. You can anything, you can view it. First, you can click the post medicine details. First, enter the post medicine details. If you want to what are the medicine name, you can enter it. Next, you can choose a medicine stock availability. Yes or no. You can anything is stock available. You can yes. Next, you can choose a recommended medicine recommended and click add. Medicine added successfully. What are the medicine details you can create it? You can view the view medicine details. You can view all the details. Who are all enter create the medicine? You can view all the details. If you want to search like medicine name wise, or if you want to search like stock number wise, easily find the details. Let's move the view lab reported. What are the posts the user side? You can view the view lab reported and update the lab reported. Next, you can view the view patient status. Now log out the admin model. Now log out the doctor models. Let's start the click the find and doctor lab. Click find doctor lab. What are the doctor registers? You can view the all the details. If you want to search like name wise, easily find the details. Email ID, you can view email ID specialist. You can view all the details. Next, come back to the home page. Next, you can click the patient login. Click patient logins. Enter the patient email ID and password. If you want to sign up the patient, you can click sign up. If you want to enter the patient details, if you want to register the new register, you can enter it. Click the sign up and enter the patient email ID and password. Click submit it. Login successfully. You can patient will manage the model like post the complaint. First enter the complaint details. For example, name, enter the name, username, enter the father name. What are the problem in your health? You can enter all the details. You can have female or male, you can enter the date of birth. Next, you can enter the mobile numbers. Next, you can enter the address. Next, you can what are the problems in your health? You can enter the details. Like for example, heavy fever or stomach pain. Anything you can enter it. Next, you can prefer the doctor. You can choose the doctors. What are the doctors? You can choose it. You can view the complaint details. You can view the choose the specialist and you can enter the notes. If you want to, for example, if you want to general ward, you can anything you can choose it. If you want to alternate doctor, you can choose it. You can automatically specialist. You can automatically choose it. If you want to what are the careers you can use, and you can choose it the doctor. Next, you can enter the notes. What are the notes? If you, for example, please remedies, please ask the recommended my health. You can anything enter it. Complete created successfully. Sir. What are the complaints created? You can view the view lab reported. What are the report? You can view the details. What are the stomach pains? You can view all the preferred doctor. You can view all the details. If you want to update the status and update this report lab reported, you can doctor will update the managing the status. And CBC blood glucose, you can enter update the status. Click the view pharmacy. What are the doctors? You can update the medicines. You can view all the details. If you want to search like paracetamol, you can what are the stock availability, or you can view all the details. Click view reported. What are the patient side? You can create a report. You can view the status. If you want patient name, you can view all the details. What are the lab report created? You can view automatically. View reported. You can the status are now pending. So doctor will manage the status. If you want to view the reported, you can click reported. So this is for the online reported status. Now log out the patient models. Let's move the doctor login. Click doctor login. Enter doctor email ID and password. Choose a specialist. What doctor you can choose. Click submit it. Login successfully. You can view the view patient details. Click view patient. What are the reported created? You can view the report details. If you want to update the status, click update it. And update the status, update the solutions also. What are the solutions you can update it? Enter all the details. Choose the status, pending, on, progress, completed. You can anything you can choose it. Once updated, you can click submitted. Solution posted successfully. What are the solution posted? You can view all patient details. You can view all the details. If you want to view the report, click view report. What are the update the report? You can view the view report details. The status are success. If you want to view all the details. Now log out the doctor models. Let's move the patient login. Click patient login. Enter patient email ID and password. Click submit it. Login successfully. Click the view lab reported. What are the lab created the report? You can view the online lab reported. If you want to go hospital, it is not possible. Only automatically you can upload this lab reported. You can view automatically the status are updated. You can view all the details. Next you can click the view reported. What are the reported? You can view reported status in online mode. You can view all the details. Once update the doctor's models, you can view automatically, and you can view the status, you can view report, you can view all the details. If you go back to the hospital, it is not possible, it is not true for that. So only you can view the online mode. You can easily can view the reported. If you want to view the report, you can click report. You can view the report, you can view all the report details. You can view status are now success, you can view your appointment time, you can view all the details in report stages. If it is all right or it is not true, you can view all the details. Now log out the patient models. Let's go back to the admin login. Click admin login. Enter admin email ID and password. Click submit it. Login successfully. If you want to create a new cashier registration, click cashier registration. Register a new cashier registration details like cashier name, mobile number. Enter all the details. Click sign up. Register successfully. If we go back to the cashier logins, enter cashier email ID and password. What are the create new cashier login? You can enter the same cashier email ID and password. And click submit it. Login successfully. You can post payment. If you want to create the new post payment, you can choose the user side. Select the patient and select the doctors. Enter the amount. What amount you to pay, you can enter and click pay it. Payment posted successfully. What are the payment created? You can view all payment details. What patients, doctors you can pay. You can pay automatically. You can view the details. Now log out the cashier models. Our demo is completed now. Thank you.